To reset Face ID on your phone is really simple. Just hop into the settings, make sure you're on the main settings page, scroll down to where it says Face ID and Passcode, tap on that, enter your passcode, then scroll down, and right here it says Reset Face ID. I'll turn on the brightness a little bit so you can see a little better. It's not much better, but there we go. Reset Face ID, tap on that, and you can reset your Face ID. It basically turns it off. I don't want to do that right now because mine works just fine. But the reasons you might want to do this is if your facial structure changes, or sometimes when you grow a beard, it doesn't work. I set up my Face ID before my beard, but with my beard, it still works. Sometimes that doesn't. If you wear a lot of sunglasses and hats and things, you can set your Face ID with those on, which I wouldn't recommend because someone could easily fake that. But this is the place where you do it. If you want to make sure that your phone is scam proof, check out this checklist right here. It's free to download. Just scan this QR code if you're watching on a TV, or just click the link in the description down below if that's easier, and download this free PDF checklist to help you scam proof your phone. These days, that's super important. And then when you're done that, check out this video right here. And if you have value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.